Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about drawing tools in AutoCAD. First we will see multi-line in AutoCAD. For multi-line, enter M line at command prompt. To choose a style, type at the command prompt. Enter the style name or display list of possible styles. We will see this in software. For multi-line, type here M line. Enter, specify first point. This is our multi-line. Okay, next is polyline. Polyline is a set of lines. Okay, next is spline. In its simplest terms, a spline is a smooth curve with a constantly changing radius which passes through a set of control points. Here is a spline. This is a spline. Okay. Next is construction line. These are the construction lines. These are infinity lines. Next is ray. These are located at centers. These also infinity lines. Next is cloud. There are three types of cloud: rectangular cloud. Next is polygonal. And last one is freehand. Okay, thank you.